Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Kulkarni and today I am presenting my project called the Intuition game. This project measures your intuition or more specifically your ability to perceive distance. So let me show you how this project would work. First of all, when you start the game, there would be a number or rather a distance displayed on this LCD screen. Then, for example, 20 centimeter. Then you place your card or hand in front of the ultrasonic sensor at a distance that you think is 20 centimeter. Then based on your accuracy, there would be a score displayed here on the LCD screen, which would be a number between 0 to 100. So let's see how this looks in a computer simulation. Initially both of them are 0. Then a random number would be generated here, which is 8. Then I would place my card here. So as you can see, the accuracy is low, which is 34, as I have placed it at a distance of 23. Again, if I press this button, now a new random number would be generated, which is 50. So this time I'll try to be as accurate as possible. Let's say I put it somewhere, yeah, here. Okay. So as you can see, my accuracy is 99, which is highly accurate. Now it is to be noted that in real life these numbers won't be visible, so your whole game would be played on your intuition. I have used a Ardiuno, a breadboard, a LCD screen, a ultrasonic sensor and a push switch. Now it is interesting to note why I have used the push switch here. As you know, in Arduino, the code is repeated again and again from top to bottom till we stop. So I have used a random number generating function. So if the code is repeated again and again, it would give very weird results. So that's why to control that situation, I have used a button switch here. Also, as I have used a LCD display here and the calculations were a bit notorious, therefore I have used a direct code rather than using blocks. I used a direct text code. So let me explain my code here. So the first statement of the code is just including some library functions which would be required for LCD screen. Then some variables that I have declared which I would be using throughout the code. After that, I have declared some functions, like for example this function uses the data from the ultrasonic to determine the distance from where the card is placed. But the main function, it starts from here. Yes, void loop. The first line gives us if the button is active or passive, or if it's on or not. So depending on the state of the button, if it's on, we would go into this if statement. Then we would take a random number from 1 to 300, as that's the range of our ultrasonic, and give it to this variable num. After that, we would display the number using this lcd.print command on our LCD screen. Then we would give a delay of 5 seconds where the user gives his guess. After that, it's taken using this command, read ultrasonic distance, and then stored in the variable cm. After that, this calculation is done of the score, where a error is calculated, relative error, and then it's subtracted from 1 and multiplied by 100 and stored in the variable score. After that, we simply print it using this lcd.print command on the LCD screen. So in conclusion, I would like to say, as I mentioned earlier, that this is a new and unique idea as far as I know, and by playing this game, you can develop your intuition, having fun alongside. The ability to guess distances is required in our day-to-day life as well as in professional fields like civil and architecture. So this game is not only for children, but everyone can play and develop their intuition. So thank you. I have uploaded my codes on Arduino IDE, and as you can see there are no errors. So thank you.